What ingredients do you need? Chicken, lime, chili, shrimp sauce.
This is the chili, and this is the lime, of which you need to take about 3 pieces each. And of course you have your chicken thighs, which you should defrost if you have put it in the fridge. And this is the shrimp paste or cincalok, and this is the spring onions or scallion and the air fryer. So here are the 3 pieces of chicken thigh and the shrimp sauce or shrimp paste, and I will marinate the chicken thighs with the shrimp paste, which we call cincalok. This is a local product in Malaysia, and you can find it in most of the shops. I'm not sure whether you can buy it from overseas, but you can use shrimp sauce or shrimp paste as a replacement. Lightly spread the shrimp sauce over the chicken, and it's a little bit salty, so don't put too much. And next you get prepared to put it into the microwave oven, which I've lined with aluminum foil and also sprayed with a little bit of oil. This will avoid sticking to the air fryer and really helps to keep the skin on the chicken thighs when it's cooked. That's the second chicken thigh going into the basket of the air fryer, and there goes the third. Now we put it into the air fryer. And I put it for a time. This is for cooking of chicken for about 10 minutes, 8 minutes, and at temperature of 200 degrees. And there it is, nice and crispy. And I can smell the aroma of the shrimp paste. Now I'm putting the chicken thighs, which have been coated and fried, and now I am going to place it into a plate with a little bit of the lime, which you can actually squeeze the juice over the chicken thighs, which you have air fried, and it's ready for serving. Delicious.